So you want a career in finance, but every ad online is telling you this is the one certification that you need. CFA, FRM, financial modeling, investment banking. Very confusing, right? So here's the truth. There's no single best certification. It depends on where you want to end up. If you want to work in equity research or portfolio management, that's a CFA role. If risk management at a bank excites you, FRM is your path. If you want to get hired fast in a corporate finance or as an analyst, practical financial modeling and valuation skills matter more than any single exam. At Finprov, we don't just teach for a certificate. We build job-ready skills. Our finance courses combine the theory recruiters expect with hands-on modeling. Excel and other analysis work, they actually test you on interviews. We have helped students from commerce and non-commerce background land roles in banking, KPOs, and financial analysis. Because we focus on what the job actually needs, not just what looks good on paper. If you're serious about a career in finance and not sure where to start, drop a comment or check the link below. We'll help you figure out the right path for free.